So, hi everybody, Dr. Brown here from Dr. Brown's Hair Restoration Clinic, and today is a highly anticipated broadcast. So, in this video, I'm going to show you some of our before and after pictures that everyone's been dying to see because it's a new service that we've been offering here, and the results have been spectacular. So everyone knows that I've been doing medical hair restoration for over 10 years. I've spoken both locally and abroad, won international awards for my work and my research as it pertains to medical hair restoration. And it's only recently that we introduced surgical restoration, which is transplantation, here at our clinic. And the team that we use, the Bonita Hair Clinic, out of Turkey, and they're a traveling team. So they travel between South Africa, Nigeria, and some European countries as well. And they've been in business for over 20 years. So our techs have been doing this for over 20 years. And in August of 2024, we performed our first batch of transplants in Bermuda, obviously making history. And I believe at the time we transplanted over 60,000 follicles. And we have about 60,000 people here in Bermuda. So it was significant. We have 15 patients in our first batch in August, and we've had numerous clinics thereafter with about 15 to 20 patients. So now we're reaching the 4th to 5th month mark, and we're about to see some amazing results. So let's go on with our presentation. So drum roll, please. All right, you guys been waiting for it. Like, where's the results? Where's the results? So this is one of our first patients. His name is Junior, and Junior's in his mid-20s, late 20s, and as you can see, he has regression of his hairline. And I didn't notice much about it because he looks quite good with how he has his hair now. But he was obviously concerned and wanted to have a reapproximation of his frontal hairline. So he had his transplant in August of 2024. So this is the new hairline that we've drawn, and he's agreed to this hairline based on his desires and aesthetics. And so we went on and performed about 2,500 grafts, as you can see here in this particular image to the right. And it's now 4 to 5 months. He's just approaching 5 months. And look at his results. Can we say amazing? Absolutely amazing. So he's so happy. He's not even cut the hair yet. And I'm like, cousin, it's now 4 months. You can go ahead and cut the hair, style it. I'm like, no, I don't want to touch it yet. Because his desire is really to grow it all out. He wants to have an afro similar to mine, if not a mohawk. So he's going to let this all grow out. You can see this is probably him at day 10, where we take off the scabs. And you can see this the frontal area that's slightly erythematous, slightly red in color. That's what the erythematous means. And this is the area that was transplanted. Now you can see the hair is growing like wildfire. Now, this is only 4 months, guys. This is going to continue to grow and get thicker and thicker up to about 1 year. So this is just the beginning of his hair growth restoration journey. And it's going to get better and better up until 1 year, and then it's going to grow as normal. It's going to grow as normal. So just in 4 months, I'm showing you results for this particular patient named Junior, who is a local patient here in Bermuda and has had 2,500 grafts of his whole front as well as his sides. And you can see these amazing results in just 4 months. So 4 months, you can go from having no hair to hair with our Turkish transplant technique. Here's another patient. Absolutely amazing. Once again, for him, we did about 3,500 grafts. You can see at day 10, the area that was transplanted, slightly erythematous, which is red. And now look at it at 4 months. This guy is so happy. He's absolutely so happy. And guys, this is just the beginning. Just the beginning. So the hair starts to grow at month 4 and onwards and upwards. And so this is him from the side profile. We reshaped this guy's life. We redefined his whole life. We did a little patch here that we fixed as well. We did some transplant. I think he had an injury. and you can see his whole new frontal hairline. He is so aesthetic, and this is only at 4 months. We are so happy at Dr. Brown's Hair Restoration Clinic to see such fascinating results from our own patients performed in August of 2024 here in Bermuda. Happy, a whole new person, redefine their life. All right. So if you see him on the streets, give him a pat on his back for allowing us to share his story and his images. Once again, let me go back because it's so striking. This is before, this is now. He's so happy, as you can imagine. So this is another patient just showing their journey. So before surgery, he wanted a new frontal hairline. He had some quite advanced male pattern hair loss and wanted to have a whole new frontal hairline. And you can see the area that we've drawn. We've transplanted 3,500 follicles. And after the surgery, this is day 10 where he's coming to take off the scabs. And now at 3 months, the hair is already starting to grow. You can see it. Let me give you another picture. You can see the area that was transplanted. We have the line here. You can see where the line is now. Oh, this is his new hair at 3 months, 4 months. And it's looking absolutely amazing. And this is just the beginning. This is going to continue to grow indefinitely. And you're not going to see the maximum results until 4 months. But this, at until 12 months. And this is only 4 months. And we're having hair already. All right. So we also do females as well. And for females, you don't actually shave your hair. And unfortunately, none of our females have allowed us to use their pictures just yet. But they have amazing results as well. And hopefully, we can twist their wrists and get them to be so kind to share their results with the general public. But we make a little window at the back so you don't have to shave all your hair. And we then go ahead and implant those in your frontal line. All right, and everyone knows these two fellas here. So we have Kenton Trott of Luxury Cuts, one of the most popular barbers here on the island. And then we have none other than, who's this? Who's this? You know the name. None other than Gavin Smith, and he's a local celebrity here on the island, entertainer, musician, etc. So these two guys have recently got their transplants done, and we're going to look to see their results, their full month results, in February of 2025. But as you can see, guys, we've had amazing results in just 4 months. You can have here and change your life and give you what you desire. And you can see the donor area that we've taken the hair from doesn't look anything different, looks healthy and normal. And these are results in 4 months. So our next surgery dates are in February of 2025. And so we're saying start in February and you will have your hair by summer because we just need 4 months and you can have hair growing by summer. So they're going to be dates between February the 9th to the 23rd of February of 2025. And you can give our office a call to book and to schedule your consultation before. Don't come the day before. I had one guy came the day before the surgery schedule. I'm like, cause I'm already booked up. We'll get a waiting list now. So you're gonna have to wait to the next quarterly visit. All right. So don't be caught out. Come in, give us a call at 293-5476, 293-5476 to book your appointment or scan the QRS code or send us an email. Anyway, you can book and book now because we have to get your pictures taken. Some people may need some treatments prior to transplantation, but also you want to ensure that you're going to have a spot for February so you can have your hair by summer. All right. So after February, the next dates will be every quarter. And those dates have not been released yet. So you don't want to be caught out. Don't want to be caught on the waiting list. And you want to have your hair by summer. So let's get on our February schedule. All right. Yay. We see results. I'm so happy. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.